Hello, welcome to Brushes of Magic. I'm James, and today we're going to be doing the final look for King Diamond. King Diamond, lead singer of Mercyful Fate, and also King Diamond, one of my favorite metal bands ever. I decided when I started out doing these that I was just going to do the three most well-known of his makeups, this being the most recent one. Once again, I'd like to thank Austin Hart for suggesting this to me. Actually, I think I'm going to go through and look at some of the Instagram things that I did before I was on YouTube and see what else I might like to revisit. I already know that another person suggested that I do Klaus Nomi, which I had also done then, which I'll probably be redoing as well. So yeah, if you like this look, you like metal, you like King Diamond, stick around and watch the tutorial. Grandma! Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Clown White. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Johnson's Baby Powder just to set this. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with CoverGirl's Perfect Blend Pencil in Basic Black. I'm going to use that to trace out the eye shapes. You're going to start noticing here in just a second I go back in with the Clown White. I'm doing that just to fix a quick mistake that I made using a sponge on it. I do the same thing here and I'm going back in with the sponge and I'm going to be using some white powder right over top of that. Right here I go. Dusting it off and there we go. It's a quick easy fix if you're careful. So be careful. One more time. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Professional Cream Colors in black, and we're just going to fill that area in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Primal Colors Hot Black. I'm going to use that to set that. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Pencil in Basic Black. And I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Maybelline Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in Pitch Black. Now I'm going to go back in with the Ben Nye Professional Cream Colors in black. I'm going to use that just to finish off the rest of the details. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on the hat and stuff, and yeah, that'll be it. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. As always, in the description bar below, you'll find all the links to all my social media, as well as all the products that I use in this video. So yeah, let me know of any suggestions that you might have, any ideas or anything for the channel, makeup ideas or whatnot, some ideas for products for me to use for the what the fuck is this, anything like that. Leave them down in the comment section down below. Just say hi. I'd like to hear from you. Talk. I'll talk. Anybody want to talk? I'm friendly. I really am. Despite current appearances. So also, if you guys are new here, you can go ahead and click the round thingy with my face in it to subscribe, and it'll bring you back to see more videos. If you want to see my most recent video, you can go ahead and click the link right below me. Yeah, there's another one over there just for some random, relatable, maybe, hopefully relatable stuff that you might like. Once again, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.